Guys, I am feeling so much better. So once again, maraming salamat sa lahat na nag-send ng kanilang prayers and messages. Sa lahat na nag-alala, maraming salamat for checking in on us. Thank you to everyone who tried calling us and messaging us talaga. Hindi ko pa nasasagot lahat yung sa mga kaibigan ko, pero maraming salamat. And speaking of which, one of my best friends who is a nurse and also who works for a COVID hospital, enjoy the spray mist. It has alcohol plus sterilium concoction. Cute. Yung notes niya sa akin. Kasi, I've been eyeing this one. Ito yung spray, guys, na, ooh, you know, yung fine mist. So, meron siyang alcohol. Ayan. And then, may masks. Thank you, Cams. Ito, sharing you this soap. I love to make sure my hands are squeaky clean. You can dilute it with water para not too harsh for the hands. Nag-iwan siya ng maraming notes. I love my best friends. They've been with me. Sila yung unang sinabihan ko nung nag-positive pa lang si Pat. Hindi pa ako, si Pat pa lang. Yung best friends ko yung sinabihan ko na to. I know na Germ would be of great help because she's the professional. And so, malaking tulong yung advices niya. Even yung friends ko din na nagpadala ng AJ, Dad, thank you because siya yung nagpadala ng isa pang oximeter. Oh, this is so nice! Thank you, Cams! Oh, so sweet! I'm so happy na bumabalik na yung panlasa ko. Hindi pa siya like fully in such a way na hindi pa full yung flavor ng pagkain eh. Thank you once again, Cams. I love you. And to my best friends and to also our friends and family talaga. And of course, to you na nag-message talaga and who made an effort to let us know na, you know, we can do it. So, maraming salamat. Since I'm feeling a lot better, I decided to put on makeup. Kahit na yung skin ko naapektuhan, may mga breakouts ako na sobrang lalaki. But I'm excited today na finally makapag-makeup ako. Alam mo yun, kasi ang tagal, ilang weeks, siguro magto 2 weeks na talagang hindi ako ganung nag-aayos. And speaking of makeup na gusto kong subukan, marami kasing natatambak doon sa PR na gusto ko nang buksan at saka gusto ko nang masubukan para makapag-review na ako para sa inyo guys. I know that you miss my reviews and my makeup tutorials and I miss them too. It's just that talagang the past days I wasn't in that, you know, 100%. Parang ko sabihin yun? Parang I knew na hindi ko mabibigay yung 100% best ko. May parang weird cycle yung COVID na so, like, early stages, okay, wala ka pa nararamdaman until the symptoms hit you, kung maging symptomatic ka. So, parang okay ka, and then, bababa siyang gano'n yung feeling mo. And then, when you are on the way to recovery, then, you know, it feels better. And then, yung feeling mo na okay ka na or recovered ka na, and then all of a sudden, biglang may mga mangyayari ulit. Pero not to the point na yung sobrang down ka ulit or parang heavy ulit. It's just that yung mga things, let's say for example, pag bumabalik na yung pang-amoy mo unti-unti, may mga weird sensation ka na mararamdaman sa ilong. Let's say for example, in my case, legit na as in na nagtapon na ako ng toothbrush at saka tinapon ko yung toothpaste ko just because nasusuka ako sa amoy and I couldn't figure out kung amoy ba ng toothpaste yun or yung amoy ng toothbrush. Tapos meron parang lumalamig dito, yung sensation na yung hinihinga ko malamig at saka hindi lang sa ilong pati dito, yung para kang nag-mint tapos di ba pag huminga ka ganun. Punta na tayo sa stockroom and let's see what we got there. I've always wanted to try this out. So, this is from Sunnies Face. Ito yung lip treat nila. Nabuksan ko na to. It's just that hindi ko pa siya nasusubukan. So, I guess ito yung subukan natin ngayon for today's review. And also, ano pa ba yun nandito? This came in late last year. So, parang December 2020. And so, ayan guys. Sobrang cute niya actually. They sent me 6 shades all in all. So, this is basically like, you know, a tinted lip balm with I bet extra gloss na nakikita ko sa social media. And they also sent me 3 shades of their face glass, which is their light catching liquid luminizer. So before I begin, let me quickly swatch the shades nung lip treat or lip glow pala. Lip treat, lip glow. Ito guys ay 2.8 grams. So this one is Sakura. Oh, okay. So yes, so very sheer, of course, just a tint of color. And then we have Poppy, which is like a bright orange. Ayun no, parang meron siyang like, parang tigas in a way. So this one is Juice. Parang bet ko tong Juice. Para siyang my lips but better talaga yung kulay. More of a brown shade. And mas warm definitely. And then we have Chai, which is a brown shade na. Right there. Last but definitely not the least is Jellyfish, which is the clear one. You guys know how I'm into glossy lip products. I love lip glosses, mga lip oil. Because wala lang, agad lang niya sa labi. Medyo hesitant akong sabihin kung ano yung amoy or alam mo yun because baka impaired pa yung sense of smell ko. Pero so far parang wala naman tong scent. The packaging is nice. It is very consistent sa Sunny's face definitely. The shade is also nice. So meron siyang like okay na maganda naman yung shade range because meron siyang like vibrant shade and then merong like pinkish, merong brownish, and then merong parang nude, and then may clear, which is good. So, itong Juice, well, as it looks like sa camera, well, definitely, sheer yung coverage, and also sheer naman yung, sheer din yung color payoff, like, hindi siya yung sobrang, like, excuse me, makulay. Once na ilagay mo sa labi, meron pa rin siyang like coverage kahit pa paano. But I am not sure if ano lang to, parang sa lip liner ko. So, ayan siya. I'll try yung Chai. Like patukan natin na something with, mas may kulay. Just to see if, alam mo yun, kung mas may effect siya. It does give a good gloss, which is good if you're looking for that product na it would just give you a tint of color. So basically, parang tinted lip balm talaga with extra gloss because this feels like a glossy lipstick talaga. The con lang is that feel mo talaga na meron kang product, the thickness and the weight of the product is there. Here are the 3 shades of their face glass, and I love how consistent their packaging is. And of course, their branding. So this is a liquid luminizer. This is Cosmic Curl. Mas manipis siya than expected. Parang, oh yeah, once blended, parang wala na masyado yung parang glitters niya mismo. This one is Barbarella, which is more of like mas white siya pero pale pink pa din yung base niya. Last but definitely not the least, Nova, which is like the golden shade and mas yellowish. There is this weird separation of yung mismong oil lang niya and the shimmers. So this can be talagang parang ewan ko, may feeling na may pagka-oily talaga tong face glass. I did a little bit of powdering already, kaya hindi ko alam kung na-absorb ng powder yung product, but it seems like parang hindi masyadong like as nagre-register yung product. Parang it has shimmers, pero once ito sa nilalagay ko sa balat ko, parang nagdi-disappear yung shimmers. And the thing na nakakapagbigay sa akin ng glow is yung parang oil or yung base ng product na to. It's more of like the dewiness. Hindi siya like sa shimmer eh. So napapansin ko lang since I did my powder and I did my blush. And then itong liquid highlighter or liquid luminizer yung ginamit ko. Since nga may oily effect siya or may oily base siya. So napansin ko na nabura niya yung blush. And also that parang nagagalaw niya yung base. So, I would suggest using this on bare skin or on face na hindi pa too powdered and yung wala pang makeup. Para makita niyo yung ibang lighting setup, ganyan siya. So, ito yung pinatuhan ko lang din ng blush, pero ayun yung effect ng luminizer. And then, ito naman yung lip gloss. So, the lip gloss talaga I love. So, for lunch, I Korean barbecue, which means oily. And medyo tumikim-tikim na ako, so mukhang dumagdag sa pagka-oily yung pagka-glossy yung yung pagkain. Oh my God, sobrang laki nito. Hindi siya kasya sa bibig ko. So after lunch, eto na guys, yung lagay ng ating lipstick. And I am impressed na it's still there and hindi siya like gaanong nabura. Even if it doesn't have that much pigment, you could still see na may product. So, that is really good. And as for the highlight, now I can't tell if it's my like oil, natural oil, or yung luminizer. But, ayun, kasi buong mukha ko meron eh. Pero dito ko lang naman siya nilagay. So, I can't tell. Pero, mukha naman, nafe-feel ko ba? Well, oo nga, medyo na-feel ko na mas oily dito, so siguro ito nga yung product. So that's my quick review about the newest products from Sunnies Face. Well, I think ito yung pinaka nila, latest release nila. So yun, hi Cheesy, happy birthday, and guys, greet my rescues a happy birthday. So January 17, yun ang kanilang, or January 16 pala. January 16 last year, yun ang kanilang rescue date, which is their birthday because it's their second life. Yay! 1 year old Gigi. Ow! 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 Wait! Hindi lang sila yung best dogs for buhat-buhat dahil hindi sila ganon. Ayaw nila nang hinahawakan sila ng masyado. Ayaw nila nang binubuhat sila pala, pero gusto nila yung medyo minamassage sila. But anyway, and also I just want to address this. It's really, how do you say this? Parang, I didn't know na maraming magbe-message din sa akin regarding, their health and that, na positive din sila sa COVID. And they're asking me on how to cope with some stuff when you experience this. Well, by all means din naman, hindi ako yung expert. But I just want to be of help and I just want to extend, my help and my time, even on how to deal with pets. Because I do have pets. And so, I will try to, share my experience and share the things that we did para safe din sila. It makes me realize na, when you experience COVID, you may have resources, you may have like articles to read on how you can treat yourself at home. May mga doctors definitely na you should go to, you should seek help from. Pero what about those things na mapagdadaanan mo na parang yung mental state mo or your feelings, your emotions. So I will try as much as I can to be of help. So abangan nyo na lang yan. It's just that I need to gather lang my thoughts so that I can be of help. But definitely, kung meron naman kayong mga, may mga tanong, feel free to DM me on my Instagram account. So, I can't wait sa mga bagong products na may share ko sa inyo. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next vlog. Bye!